In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a game pass on a Roblox. So whether you're using a mobile or a PC, you just need to use the same process. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com and it will take you to the home page. Now you just need to click on this create tab to create a game pass. Now guys, if you're using a mobile, you just need to click on this, or a PC, you just need to follow the same step, just click on it. Now, so if you are on the phone, guys, you have to click on here at the laptop. There is a menu button. Just tap on it to open this list, and just click on associate items. Now just click on passes to create a game pass. Just click on create a pass. Now you can upload the image, but it is now optional to upload image in a game pass. So the default image will be used. Now you can enter the game pass name, like I'm gonna enter as uh, tutorial. Fine, and now you can enter the description. It is also optional now. You can leave it as empty, and now click on the create a pass button. Now your game pass will be created, but it is not done yet. You have to uh, set the price and configure it. So you have to click on, you can click on the game pass. If you are using a mobile, just tap on it to open this basic settings, and now click on sales. So if you're on the phone, guys, there is a again menu button, the three bars. Just tap on it to open this list and click on sales. Now just enable this item for the sale and enter the cost and the price. If you want to set, I'm going to set it as 80. So we know that creator will get 70% out of it. Just click on save changes and your game pass will be set up for the sale. Fine. So that's how you can create a game pass or make a game pass on a Roblox. Hope you like it. If you want to earn free Robux, you just need to add this game pass in a please donate. And if someone purchase your game pass, you will get, and someone purchase or donate you a Robux by purchasing game pass, you will get 70%. So that's how you can earn Robux on Roblox in an easy way as well. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.